Hello everybody from here, there, everywhere, and places beyond. Just like I said last episode, I am Don, or you can call me Adam, whatever it is. This is what we're doing. We are making... Actually, I did that wrong. We're making a game. Fun, right? Yeah. And, last episode we ended with this. We made a really simple movement script, we made a couple textures, and we can go off ledges. We can even hang off the edge and logic. So now... Well, as I said last time, we're going to be making a camera script so that when we're holding control and moving, it would turn the camera. So, time to create that script. Create JavaScript camera controls. And now this camera control script will be for third person and first person. So variable is first person. Boolean means it can be true or false. Equals false. Let's give it as false right now. And then, if is first person, meaning if you put an exclamation mark, it means that if it's not first person, then it does this. Input dot get key control. Actually, this should be left control. Is that one of them? I guess so. Then if, then input dot get key a, then transform dot rotation dot y dot, yeah, plus equals 90. Actually, we should be putting turn speed there. Rotate speed plus equals that times time dot, nope, spell time right, delta time. And then space this out so it looks nicer. D would be minus rotate speed. W would be along the X, I believe. And S minus. There we go. So get camera point and drop the camera controls on there. Hit play. Whoa, ho, ho, what's going on there? Let's pull the game view over to here. Okay, so if we hit W, okay, let's try shift, left shift. Okay, so it just moves too fast. So let's change move speed to 10. Okay, 10 is too much. 5. Hit play. so weird. It's so weird. Ah, it's weird. Okay, so it is that. Let's just... Maybe we set it to 1. What would that be like? Also, we need to make it so that... And then we need to do if that's not true. Now we can get all that. There we go. So if you're not pressing left shift, meaning it'll only do that, and then you can go around and do that for whatever reason. Oh, I know what the problem is. Okay. Transform dot local rotation. Sure, why not? Copy that. No, wait, no. Copy that. Paste it there, and there, and there. Hit play. So we can move around just fine. Hold shift. Oh my god. Now we should set it to 90. There we go, that's good. Now we need to make it so that there's a limit. So if it's that, and now let's separate it. If that is transform dot local. No, I can't do that. Let me undo all that, just so I can get everything back in place. There we go. For this one, it would be and transform dot local Euler angles dot y is less than or equal to, no, less than max y meaning it has to be less than the max y and greater than min y. So let's just get this, copy it, paste it on this one, and that one, and that one, dot x, and dot x. Change this to y, and y. I need to change those too. So now what we've got, we just need to create the minimum x and minimum y variable. Let's just variable min x float variable max x float variable min y and variable max y. There we go. So oh. Yeah, you fine? Come on, bro. Calm down. Happy now? Yeah. Okay. We're not gonna need mobile, are we? No. Just get rid of that. It'll just keep annoying us. We don't need anything from the utility scripts. There we go. And of course, there's so much stuff that's just... Hey. Come on, Unity, get your junk together. There we go. So now, if we're pressing left shift, and we're not too far up, not too far down, then it's fine. Let's get camera point. Y. Max Y can be 60. That's actually X, but yeah, sure. Max. So the minimum is 60. This would be 120, right? That'd be negative 60, actually. Yeah. Negative 60. And that would be 0. Now X, minimum you can go, the farthest you can go is negative 24. Negative 24. Actually, 24. Negative 24. 24. Negative 24. There we go. So we can move around. Shift. We don't move. Great. Okay. How about... See, the problem with Unity is that, watch. If we move down a little bit, instead of it being negative 1, it's actually 359. So we'd have to do a little bit more math. I'm gonna, well, no, let's skip this. Or not. So minus, okay, and let's get that. And the Euler angles for Y, max Y, okay, greater than 360 minus max Y. And then scroll down to here, put that there, that needs to be less than, and that needs to be min Y. There we go. Now let's see if I can use that. Can't even go that far. What's wrong with it? Okay, so I can't use the Y. What's wrong with this one? Transform.EulerAngles.Y is less than max Y. Let's get rid of this part. Let's just comment that part out. Hit play. Okay, why can't I do that? Let's try changing them to be negative 60 and 60. See if that's the problem. Okay, now let's just change the rotate speed to be 45. See if that works. There we go. So rotate speed minus rotate speed divided by 10. So let's just make it go a little bit slower. And now it's stuck. The problem here is that it's continuing a bit too far. So watch. If I move, it goes the right way. It just goes too far. And it's also when I go that way. Like I can use the W just fine. It's just it continues to go that far. Oh, let's just do this. I've got an idea. Then get rid of that right there. I've got an idea. I'm just going to go the easy way out, not do any checking at all, and just make it so that if we go past the max, then it just sets it back to the max. So if transform dot local angles dot y is greater than max y, then this equals max y. And then we do the same thing for less, and then x, yeah, x, min, change these to x, min, and min. There we go. Whoa. Oh. Or if this is like that, and it's less than 360 minus that. Let's try it now. Still can't move. Wait. Oh, it needs to be less than min y. Fail. Still not working. Okie dokie. This is getting really tiring now. Let's see what the problem is. Transform. So if the y is further than the max y, then it equals the max. The max y is 60, and right now it equals 0. Let's disable this. Still equals 0. You set it to that, the max y is fine. It's just a bit strange. And I can't move backwards. The D is not working. Why isn't it? If it's less than min y, then it equals the minimum. Plus 5. This one's minus 5, minus 5, and plus 5. Hit play. And now it does nothing. Oh, it's still disabled. Fur. Okay, so that one's working. Set that to 0. Okie dokie. We're gonna work on that next episode, so this has been a very long episode of nothingness. We've got a relatively good thing going. And, that would be why it's not working. Yeah. Let's turn that one on. Yeah, that would be why I can't use the D. That's not what I meant. Don't take it like that. Let's make it so it just rotates the cube. Why not? Let's get rid of this through there. Get rid of that. And remove that one. And add it there. Why not? The minimum x is, what did we say? Negative 24. And 24, negative 60, and 60. Hit play. Okie dokie. Let's try putting this back in. See if that works. Or let's see if it goes crazy again. Let's put that at 10. Nope, wait. 100. So that turns just fine, but it's the X rotation, the W, the S, that's not working. So if you press S, it makes the X go less, which should be correct. Yeah, so that's correct. And then over here, if it's greater than the Y. Max. Great. Just okay, I need to change that to offset. Okay, I swear I'm almost done. I just need to get this to work. Variable offset float equals 1. Set it to about 1. It'll keep ticking a little bit. I can set it to 0.001. It will continuously click for whatever reason. Do a barrel roll. Okay, so let's see if we can refine this next episode and get rid of some of the comments or get rid of that stuff. And rate, comment, subscribe. 25 minutes of randomness, and as I said before, click on the Indiegogo thing that should be somewhere. Like, click on this guy right here. Click on the player. Right there. Click on his face. Do it. I dare you. Click it. So rate, comment, subscribe. Check out the Indiegogo campaign. It'd be really nice if you guys would donate. So bye.